Hello everybody and welcome back to the best content creator on this whole planet. And if you don't agree with it, then you just have to dislike my video, then leave the video. But well, since no one's gonna watch it anyway, so I don't exactly care. If I take a dislike, no one's gonna see it anyway. I can still see it. Wow, but that doesn't matter because no one's gonna watch it, so who's going to dislike it? Anyway, we're gonna play Beast Swim Simulator. The only single, this is the only simulator game that I played in my entire life. And yeah, it's a fun game and I don't know what's going on because I haven't played in a long time. But this giant spider look really spooky, so I don't like it. Oh, maybe kill it. Nice, look at all those blue. All those like tokens. Very epic. Alright. So I don't know what to do right now because I gotta forget literally everything. But basically what you do in this game is to collect honey, get bees, so they can get more honey and getting new bees. Yeah, that's kind of basic, but I don't know, I think. But let's just that's pretty much of it. I remember I'm supposed to go on this hill. I don't know, but I remember the last time I was farming in here. I guess this is farming. And what in the hell is that? Werewolf? Oh, hell no. Hell no. No worry, my bee is gonna save me. Right, this one is quite strong, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna keep circling it around. See? Easy. Easy and really simple. Have lots of loots that I don't know what are those. What are those? I'm confused, but I'm just gonna collect them. Why not? So this beehive on my back, seems like how many honey I can collect. Oh yeah, that's nice. 382,000. Damn, that's quite a lot, isn't it? But right now I'm still trying to figure out why should I collect honey? Are those level? How do I checking things? Damn, I have lots of bees. I also have flying ants on above my character. I don't know what it does, but I remember this. Oh, scorpion! Jesus Christ! All right, why don't they attack it? Attack! All right, it doesn't even attack. At least not when I am on upside of the field, I think. Alright, that's so easy. That's easier than what I expected. So I have egg and tons of stuff. I have ticket, Grimthorpe, Stinger, microconverter, field eyes and blah blah. Treat and those like foods, royal jelly. I remember that thing is quite unuseful stuff, so I don't exactly know. Damn, I like the sharp music. Alright, those stuff cannot afford them. Don't know what's going on inside here. Alright, let's see. Leaderboard. Damn, that's a lot of people. People, yes. Alright, what is this? Oh, Beast Swam. I think I left the group because you don't know before you can already join lots of groups in Roblox before. I don't exactly remember, but I just like joining quite a few groups, so I run out of. Uh, I mean, you can only join like 5 groups, isn't it? No, I don't really remember, but I think. But I don't really care because you can join tons of groups that you want now, so it doesn't really have a limit to it. Yes, that's what I meant. Okay, so I think that's all for now. That's all for Bee Swamp Simulator. See you guys in the next videos, and I don't know how I keep stopping recording at the most random moment, because I don't really know what to do else. Let's just record for some extra time. Alright, we just killed a poor ladybug. Alright, if you don't want to end up like her, don't come near me, and yeah, just stay out. Stay out of my range. Alright, what is this? Equip. I think that's a quill. No, I cannot take this. Okay. This is a shop, and which I think I have pretty much bought everything in this shop. Yeah, not really. They still have this, but I don't know what is this. Is this seven what? Seven prong? I don't. It doesn't even appear. Okay. So yes, just as I remembered, there is the place where you can. I don't know. This is ants. What are you supposed to do in here? Alright, are you supposed to defend yourself against the ants? Let's see. 21. Alright, I don't know what that score mean. Probably not. I mean, like the number of ants you have killed. But I don't know, just my guess. I haven't played this game in so long. I think like 2020 or 19. I don't remember. It's a good game. It's a good game. Yes. The spawn plate. I rarely see that nowadays. Look at this guy. So we can also buy eggs. Where can we buy egg? Oh, is there a place? Wait, no. Here it is. You can buy egg here. And oh my god, it's 612,000 honey? I don't think I have any honey. Let's go. My username is Overflow. I don't know why I put my name like that, but I cannot change it because it's 1,000 Robux. It's expensive. Jesus. I'm fine with it. Don't really care.